Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Toyota RAV4 LE. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 2.5 4-cylinder pushing out 176 horsepower and 172 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Cloth interior. LE all-wheel drive badging. Opening up the tailgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Power windows. Steering wheel controls. Touchscreen media display. Rear view backup camera. Climate controls. Eco and sport mode. USB and auxiliary. Automatic transmission. This RAV4 has 77,125 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota, check out feldmannimports.com.